the herd.
Seahorses. Dads do the pregnancy. Male seahorses have a pouch where females deposit eggs. The dad fertilizes, carries, and nourishes the babies for 2 to 4 weeks before giving birth to 100 to 1,000 tiny fry. Tail grip champions. Their prehensile tails can cling to coral, seaweed, or even other seahorses. Unlike most fish tails, theirs is square-shaped for better grip. Stealthy hunters. They're terrible swimmers but master ambush predators. Their snouts act like straws, sucking up tiny crustaceans 30+ times a day with a vacuum-like click. Chameleon of the sea. Seahorses change color to blend into coral reefs and avoid predators. Some even grow skin flaps to mimic seaweed. Monogamous romantics. Many species pair for life, greeting each other daily with dances and twining tails to reinforce their bond. Their eyes move independently, like a chameleon, letting them scan for prey and predators at the same time. Seahorses have no teeth or stomachs, so they eat constantly to survive.